beautiful flowers or are they candy holders? Let's find out what you can do with some flowers and some little Dixie cups. All right, we're going to jump right in here and get started. I'm Vicky from the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and this is my project that hopefully you can use for the springtime, or you can change it up and use it for whenever you want. Um, this is a springtime floral from Walmart, and this is just in their floral section. I just wanted to use it for the fact that we were going to do some springtime stuff. This would look really, really cute on an Easter table. Um, Basically, all we're going to do here is we're going to pick, I think we're going to take a yellow one. We're going to take a yellow rose. I'm going to cut all the way up. I'm going to, here, let me cut this off the bush here so you can see. So here's our stem. I'm going to cut to make it as flat as possible. All right, we're going to make it as flat as possible. And then hopefully it's going to start to want to fall apart. So just a heads up on that. It is going to start to want to fall apart. Just so you know, which is okay because we can glue it all back together, because what we really want is for it to open up anyways, because what we really want is to be able to, now you can get, these are from Walmart, and they're called mini neon cups. So I also got these at Walmart. I mean, they were in the drink section. They're calling them shot glasses, but here, this is bathroom Dixie cups, and they're just a little smaller than these. These are also from Walmart, but these are the plastic, like Dixie cups, bathroom. They call them bathroom cups, whatever you wanted to call them. But these are really super cute. I love these neon ones because they come in so many different colors. They had pink, blue, orange, green, purple, the yellow. I really like that. When we can decide on the yellow, let's do an orange. Here's an orange one. And I was thinking if we can get this flower to open up for us. It's got a little plasticky part inside here. And I'm thinking we can squish that in there. Now I can glue that in there if I want, but that pretty much holds that in there for a good portion of that. And that's pretty cool. That's gonna, for the most part, that's gonna hold that in there. And this is so, you know, if you really want to, you can throw this whole thing away and do a new one for next year. I mean, no big deal. You don't have to do these and keep them. You can actually do these. You get cheap Dollar Tree flowers if you can get big enough ones. And so you can either leave it all together and leave it extra full, like so, or you can probably take this one apart. I'm guessing we could probably take this apart and use these and maybe do a pink center. And then we could just take the petals and glue them for a pink center. Okay, we'll do that with this right now. So we're gonna take this. Again, I want it to be as flat as possible, and this, because we took some off, there's a little nub there. Just gonna go ahead and glue that. Gonna make sure it stays a little bit. Just hold that upside down for just a second. Let's do our bottoms. Like I said, we can make this as simple as possible. You can get these wood pieces. This one is about 1.75 inches. This one is, I believe, 2.5 inches. Now you can use these and then create these as solid pieces that you can use every year or for people to take home. You can make this even simpler. And I've just got some white, this actually just happens to already be white cardboard. And I was thinking on just taking my cardboard. Again, so this is a throwaway project and a redo once a year. And then we also, I want to bring this bush back in here. They have leaves too, and so I want to try and use the leaves for this as well. And basically, I'm just going to cut the center thing out because it's really kind of hard and plasticky, and things aren't going to sit right if we just leave it. So that's just that little centerpiece thing. So let's go with the bigger bottom. And we're gonna lay our leaves out. They had an automat on there. Okay. No big deal. Cover back on here. Now you can get as fancy as you want with this. Like, look, it's got all these extra little things that might be kind of fun to put on here as well. Like I said, you can get as fancy or not fancy if you don't want to. Let's bring in that other one we were gonna do. This is the other part of that one. Again, I want some of the leaves. All right, we're gonna pull in our cup here. Just hold it for just a minute here. how cute is that? Little flower cups. And you can put jelly beans or M&Ms or whatever little treats you want in these. How cute are those, right? This one's got a pink center, this one got an orange center. Like I said, you can do whatever size you want. You can cut them down and make them smaller and just use like the white. Like you could totally get really creative with this. You could do tulips. Like I use the roses, but you can use whatever kind of flower you want. Keep on coming back to the Purple Penguin Crafter, and happy crafting.